Time for a crypto market update, January 5th, 2026. Well, bad news, good news. Bad news is the ISM Manufacturing PMI, the Purchase Manager Index, came in cold at 47.9, forecast 48.3. Now, as a reminder, yesterday in my market update, I talked about this. This is a big reading. We need this above 50. That's really when things are booming, if you will, economically. As long as it's under 50, we're kind of in a contraction phase. If it's above 50, we're in an expansion phase, and things feel a little bit looser and more risk on. That being said, the Dow Jones is up 760 points so far by lunchtime on Wall Street. Now, why do I care about equity markets when I'm a crypto guy? Because ultimately, crypto is a beta play, a leverage play, if you will, to the stock market. And if the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, and the NASDAQ are all pushing green, then I know that it's simply a matter of time before Bitcoin and crypto play catch up. And already, crypto is showing great strength, Bitcoin touching 94K already today. I think what you're seeing so far from Bitcoin especially, but a lot of stronger, larger, and mid-cap tokens that are responsive to Bitcoin so far, is you've got the relative strength index that's still not overbought over here on the daily chart, which is great. But I think Wall Street is responding mainly to the fact that the largest deposit of oil on the planet has now come under the jurisdiction, if you will, of the United States, and the Monroe Doctrine has been reinvigorated. Venezuela has a third of the world's oil, and they only produce 8% of it. And so Wall Street sees that as a huge boon. They're going, wow, they are only, making 8%. If America can just tap into that lack of production and bring that American enterprise ingenuity to that Venezuela oil, and hey, by the way, they've got massive gold and Bitcoin reserves as well, then, well, we can make some money with that. And so risk-on assets look beyond the ISM PMI lack of production, and they see oil as a big deal still. My question to you is, what are you going to do with this information? How are you going to create passive income and loop yield using decentralized finance? How are you going to exercise your self-custodial rights? Do you feel confident that you can be self-sovereign and autonomous in this new financial world? If not, go to cryptoyall.com, click on the big orange button, watch my 12-minute overview video. It'll explain everything, including the crypto flywheel method, cash flow, appreciation, leverage. Like and follow for more.